Upwork is a global online freelance marketplace where businesses and independent professionals connect and work together remotely. Upwork has over 18 million registered users, including both businesses and freelancers, and over 5 million projects have been posted on the platform. To work on Upwork, you must meet the following requirements. Be at least 18 years old. Have a valid email address. Create a profile and complete your profile information. Pass a skills assessment. Purchase connects. Once you have met these requirements, you can start bidding on projects. Here are some additional requirements that may apply to specific types of work. Education. Some jobs may require a certain level of education, such as a college degree or a certification. Experience. Some jobs may require a certain amount of experience, such as a certain number of years working in a particular field. Portfolio. Some jobs may require a portfolio of your work. References. Some jobs may require references from past clients or employers. By meeting the requirements and providing the necessary information, you can increase your chances of being hired for a job on Upwork. Making money on Upwork is not easy. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful freelance business. However, it is possible to make a good living as a freelancer on Upwork. Despite these challenges, it is possible to make money on Upwork. Here are some tips for success. Choose the right niche. Focus on a specific skill or area of expertise. This will make you more marketable to businesses and help you to charge higher rates. Build a strong profile. Your profile is the first thing that businesses will see, so it is important to make it as strong as possible. Include a clear and concise description of your skills and experience, and make sure to include any relevant certifications or awards. Set competitive rates. When setting your rates, it is important to consider the competition and the demand for your services. However, it is also important to set rates that will allow you to make a profit. Be responsive. When businesses contact you, be sure to respond promptly. This shows that you are interested in the project and that you are reliable. Provide quality work. Once you are awarded a project, be sure to provide quality work. This will help you to build a good reputation and attract more clients. Network. Attend industry events, connect with other freelancers, and build relationships with businesses. This will help you to find new opportunities and get your foot in the door. Upskill. Stay up to date on the latest trends in your field and learn new skills. This will make you more valuable to businesses and help you command higher rates. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful freelance business on Upwork. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep working hard, providing quality work, and networking with other freelancers and businesses. Competition. There are millions of freelancers on Upwork, so it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd. Client vetting. It can be difficult to vet clients and ensure that they are legitimate. Payment processing. Upwork charges a fee for each project that is posted on the platform. This fee can add up, especially for freelancers who work on a lot of projects. If you are willing to put in the time and effort, it is possible to make money on Upwork. Just remember to be patient, persistent, and provide quality work.